everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Java 19 programming series, this is the fifth video. I have already uploaded 4 videos on this channel in the Java 19 programming series. I hope you have watched them. Today, in this video, I am going to talk about that why Java is a platform independent language, or what is Java architectural neutral code. So Java programming language is known as a platform independent language because we can move the code from one system to another very easily. It's very easy, you can say, as it is a highly portable language. So we can simply create the code of Java on any particular platform and we can take it to another platform without any recompilation. Java architectural neutral code is simply the bytecode. Bytecode is the Java architectural neutral code generated by the compiler. In the case of Java programming, there is the concept of JVM, that is the Java virtual machine. Virtual means which is not exactly existing somewhere. The combination of different software is simply known as JVM. The combination of different softwares inside the Java. When you install the JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, so that time the JVM is installed into your system. So when you create a Java program, you can see this line diagram. When you create a Java program, the code of your Java is actually saved with .java. Like you have to save your file of Java with the .java extension. And as your .java extension program is compiled with the help of the compiler, Java compiler is Java C. So after the compilation, which code is generated, that is known as the bytecode. And this is an intermediate code. It is an intermediate code at the extension of this particular code is .class. This is automatically generated code. After the compilation, this code is automatically generated. You do not have to do anything. So this code is actually the code which is actually making this particular programming language an architectural neutral code, or the architectural neutral programming language. All languages compiler translates source code into the machine code or a specific computer on a specific computer. But in the case of Java, the things are different because it is an architectural neutral platform independent language. Java compiler produces an intermediate code known as bytecode for a virtual machine that does not exist, which is known as JVM or the Java virtual machine. And the virtual machine code is not machine specific. So the machine code is generated by the Java interpreter by acting as an intermediate between the virtual machine and the actual code. So after the bytecode is generated, you do not have to worry about the bytecode actually. Once you compile the code, so this code is automatically generated and it is saved into the same folder in which you are saving your Java programs. And then after the compilation, you interpret the code, you run the code. So the interpreter of Java creates the machine code. So this is the procedure that how the Java architectural neutral code is created and how the Java programming language is architectural neutral or platform independent. If you have any queries related to this topic or any other topic, you can just post your queries in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel because in this playlist, you are going to get numerous amount of videos, multiple examples on all the topics related to Java. And it is Java 19 specific playlist. So we will be working on the latest techniques. So stay tuned, like the video, comment your queries. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.